Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome back to my channel Parul English Lab. Today I'll tell you how to use a really important English expression just in case, or you can also say in case. We use this expression a lot. I'll tell you its meaning and how it can be used in a sentence. So please watch this video till the end, and before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's get into it. Just in case or in case is used in order to be prepared for something that may happen, when there is a possibility of something happening. For example, I think we should carry something to eat just in case kids get hungry. So the situation is that you are going somewhere with your kids and you think that kids might get hungry. However, they've been fed properly, but kids can get hungry anytime. So there is a possibility of this happening, and that's why I have used just in case in this sentence. I think we should carry something to eat just in case kids get hungry. So this way we use this phrase just in case or in case. Now this phrase can be used at the beginning of the sentence, in the middle, as well as at the end of the sentence. So here in this sentence, I have used it in the middle of the sentence. Now you can also start this sentence with this phrase just in case. Just in case kids get hungry, I think we should carry something to eat. So the meaning is same, it's just that whenever you start a sentence with just in case, then there will be a comma after first clause. Just in case kids get hungry, comma, I think we should carry something to eat. You can also use just in case at the end of the sentence. For example, I think we should carry something to eat just in case. So in this case, when you are using just in case at the end of the sentence, this means that whatever you're trying to say, the listener understands that. So this is the correct way of using this expression just in case or in case in a sentence. Generally, when we use this expression at the end of the sentence, then we use just in case. Take an umbrella. Just in case it rains, or just in case it rains, take an umbrella. Or you can also say, in case it rains, take an umbrella. Or take an umbrella in case it rains. And you can also use just in case at the end of the sentence. Then the sentence will be like, take an umbrella just in case. I don't think we need a map, but bring it just in case. So again, I'm using just in case at the end of the sentence. This means that the listener understands why I'm asking to bring the map, because we might get lost. So I don't think we need a map, but bring it just in case. You can also say, I don't think we need a map, but bring it just in case we get lost, or in case we get lost. Please keep one thing in mind, that we can never use will or would in the clause after just in case or in case. Like in all these examples, I have used simple present tense after just in case. Like bring an umbrella just in case it rains. This is simple present tense. Or in case kids get hungry. Again, after in case, I have constructed a sentence in simple present tense. You can also frame it in simple past when you're talking about the past. For example, I took an umbrella last week in case it rained. So here I'm using it rained simple past because we are talking about the past. So you can frame a sentence or a clause in either simple present or simple past after this phrase, but you can never use will or would, even if you're talking about the future. But you cannot use will or would. So if you say take an umbrella in case it will rain, that's incorrect. Or in case it would rain, that's incorrect. However, we are talking about the future, but we will not use will after this. We can also use this phrase just in case or in case in place of if. For example, in case you reach home on time, call me. So in this sentence, I have replaced if by in case. You can also frame this sentence using if. If you reach home on time, call me. And in place of if, you can also use in case or just in case. Just in case you reach home on time, please call me. In case you take a leave tomorrow, let me know. Or just in case you take a leave tomorrow, let me know. If you take a leave tomorrow, let me know. So we can use this expression in place of if also. So that's all for today. I hope you understood how we can use this expression in different sentences. So please practice and keep learning. Please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.